Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 10th July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 13 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Which state has won the Best Agriculture State Award for 2024? Answer is Maharashtra. The 15th Agriculture Leadership Awards Committee has announced that Maharashtra has won the Best Agriculture State Award for 2024. The announcement was made by the 15th Agriculture Leadership Awards Committee, headed by Justice P. Sathasivam, former Chief Justice of India and Governor of Kerala. The award recognizes the Maharashtra government's innovative policies and high-impact developmental initiatives. Question number 2. Central government has initiated Project Pari to beautify which city? Answer is New Delhi. On the occasion of the forthcoming 46th session of the World Heritage Committee meeting, the Union Ministry of Culture has initiated Project Pari, Public Art of India, to beautify New Delhi. Project Pari is being executed by the Lalit Kala Akademi in collaboration with the National Gallery of Modern Art. New Delhi set to host the 46th session of the World Heritage Committee from 21 to 31 July 2024. Question number 3. Who has won the main singles title at the 3rd BWF St. Denis Reunion Open 2024? Answer is Tarun Manipalli. The St. Denis Reunion Open 2024 was held from 3 to 7 July in St. Denis, the capital of the French Overseas Department of Reunion in the Western Indian Ocean. Tarun Manipalli of Telangana won the men's singles title by defeating Yuday Okimoto of Japan in the final. World number 75 ranked player Tasneem Mir of Gujarat won the women's single title by defeated Rakshita Shree of India in the final. Question number 4. Who has won the 2024 Asian Billiards Championship in Riyadh? Answer is Dhruv Sitwala. Dhruv Sitwala defeated Pankaj Advani to win the 2024 Asian Billiards Championship in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, from 27 June to 5 July 2024. The victory in Riyadh was the third Asian Billiards title for Dhruv Sitwala. He had earlier won the Asian Billiards title in 2015 and 2016. Earlier, Pankaj Advani consecutively won the 2022 and 2023 Billiards titles. Question number 5. Which foundation has launched the Digital Shakti 5.0? Answer is Cyberpeace Foundation. On 5 July 2024, the National Commission for Women, NCW, and Cyberpeace Foundation launched the Digital Shakti 5.0, the fifth phase of the Digital Shakti campaign in New Delhi. This pan-India project aims to digitally empower and upskill women and girls in cyberspace. Digital Shakti was started at Punjab University, Chandigarh in 2018 on the lines of Digital India. So far this initiative has trained 6 lakh women on digital safety. Question number 6. BSF and SBI have partnered for a Grow with the Trees plantation drive in. Answer is Srinagar. On 6 July 2024, Border Security Force, BSF, and State Bank of India, SBI, have partnered for Grow with the Trees plantation drive at the BSF headquarters in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. This aims to increase campus greenery and mitigate global warming's effects. Similar initiatives have already transformed BSF campuses in arid regions like Rajasthan, thus enhancing greenery in those areas. Question number 7. Ratan Kumar Kesh has been appointed as the interim MD and CEO of which bank? Answer is Bandhan Bank. On 6 July 2024, Bandhan Bank Limited appointed Ratan Kumar Kesh as its interim managing director, MD, and chief executive officer, CEO, with effect from 10 July 2024. He is currently serving as the executive director, ED, and chief operating officer, COO, of Bandhan Bank since March 2023. He succeeds Chandra Shekhar Ghosh, the founder and incumbent MD and CEO of the Bandhan Bank, who is retired on 9 July 2024. Question number 8. Film producer John Landau passed away. He won Oscar for which film? Answer is Titanic. John Landau, an Academy Award, Oscar-winning American film producer, passed away at the age of 63 in Los Angeles, USA. He won the Academy Awards, Oscar, for Titanic in the Best Picture category at the 70th Academy Awards, 1997. He shared the award with James Cameron, the co-producer and director of Titanic. Titanic, the first film to cross over $1 billion mark at the global box office, and won 11 Academy Awards, Oscar. Question number 9. Who was selected for the Vishwambhara, Dr. C. Narayana Reddy National Literary Award 2024? Answer is Shiv Shankari. Well-known Tamil writer Shiv Shankari has been selected to be bestowed with Vishwambhara, Dr. C. Narayana Reddy National Literary Award 2024. The award recognizes her significant contributions to literature. Shiv Shankari wrote a lot of books in Tamil. He wrote 36 novels, 48 mini-novels, Navalikas, 150 short stories, 15 travelogues, 7 collections of essays, 4 study papers, and 2 biographies. Question number 10. Recently, which Indian has been awarded Knight of the Legion of Honor by France? Answer is Roshan Nadar Malhotra. Chairperson of HCL Tech, Roshni Nadar Malhotra, has been conferred the Chevalier de la Légion d'Honneur, Knight of the Legion of Honor, by France, the country's highest civilian award. The award recognizes her contributions to the business world, her endeavor to promote economic ties between France and India, as well as her commitment to social and environmental causes. Question number 11. President Draupadi Murmu recently awarded 36 Shaurya Puraskars, including how many Kirti Chakras? Answer is 10. President Draupadi Murmu on 5 July 2024 conferred 36 gallantry awards to the personnel of the Armed Forces, Central Armed Police Forces, and State and Union Territory Police. The gallantry awards include 10 Kirti Chakras and 26 Shaurya Chakras. Out of these, 7 personnel were awarded Kirti Chakras posthumously and 7 Shaurya Chakras posthumously. Question number 12. DRDO conducted successful trials of the indigenous light tank, Joravar, in. Answer is Gujarat. The Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO, conducted successful trials of the indigenous light battle tank, Joravar, in Hazira, Gujarat. It was reviewed by DRDO Chief, Dr. Samir V. Kamath. It is expected to be inducted into the Indian Army by the year 2027 after the completion of all the trials. Question number 13. Who is set to launch the Habitable Worlds Observatory in 2040? Answer is NASA. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, is set to launch the Habitable Worlds Observatory, HWO, in 2040 to find proof of extraterrestrial life and inhabited planets beyond the solar system. Habitable Worlds Observatory, HWO, is a unique telescope, dubbed Super Hubble, capable of detecting a range of biosignatures emitted by living organisms and discovering inhabited planets by 2050. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.